Good day, everyone. Today, I want to share with you something that almost everyone has experienced at least once: the fear of speaking in public. My point is simple: overcoming the fear of public speaking is possible, and it is one of the most valuable skills you can ever learn. Many people think that being confident on stage is a talent that only a few are born with. But the truth is, it is a skill, something that anyone can develop through understanding, practice, and courage. Now, why is it important to overcome this fear? First, public speaking is not just about standing in front of a crowd, it's about communication. Whether we're presenting in class, defending a thesis, or simply expressing our thoughts in a meeting, our ability to speak clearly and confidently helps others understand our ideas. Second, fear limits potential. Many brilliant ideas remain unheard because their creators are too afraid to speak up. When we let fear control us, we lose opportunities. Opportunities to lead, to inspire, and to make a difference. Third, conquering this fear builds confidence beyond the stage. Once you learn about how to speak in front of people, you start believing in yourself more. Not just as a speaker, but as a person capable of facing challenges. Let me tell you a story. When I was in high school, I was terrified of speaking in front of others. I remember the first time I was asked to give a short report. My hands were shaking, my voice trembled, and I couldn't even look at my classmates. After that, I promised to myself I would never speak in front of people again. But when I entered college, I realized that avoiding it made the fear worse. So, I decided to face it, one step at a time. I started volunteering for small presentations, even when my voice still shook. I practiced speaking in front of a mirror, joined group discussion, and watched good speakers online to learn how they moved and they spoke. The more I practiced, the more I understand that people weren't really judging me. They were simply listening. Over time, my nervousness turned into excitement. What once felt impossible became something I enjoyed. And I'm not the only one. Many famous speakers once feared the stage too. For example, Warren Buffett, one of the world's most successful businessmen, he used to have a terrible fear of public speaking. He even admitted he would avoid classes that require presentations. But he decided to take a public speaking course, and that changed his life. Buffett later said that learning to speak confidently was the most valuable skill he ever developed. These examples remind us that fear is not a wall, it is a door. We just have to choose to walk through it. So today, I want you to remember this: overcoming the fear of speaking in public is not just about being fearless, it's about being brave enough to try. Every great speaker started somewhere, often filled with fear and doubt, just like you and me. So, the next time you feel your heart racing before a speech, don't see it as a weakness, see it as an energy, proof that you care about what you're saying. Use that energy to connect with your audience, to share your ideas, and to let your voice be heard. Because your voice matters, your story matters, and the world deserves to hear it. Thank you.